Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and today's video is all about this very wearable glam makeup look. If you like this look and if you're interested in learning how you too can get the glam, go ahead and just keep watching. For this look, I'm going to be using this palette right here. This is the One Size Beauty palette. So I'm going to pick up Mango first, and I'm using that in the crease. Okay, that didn't show up too much, so then I'm going to go in with Booked, which is your typical brown shade. And I love this brush. This is a NYX number 16 brush, which is really great for blending out really pigmented shadows. So if you mess up, it's really easy to erase with this brush. That's why I love it so much. To deepen things up, I'm going to tap into Brownie because I think every look deserves like a really pretty chocolatey shade to add in that outer crease. I'm going to open up my Sultry palette, and this one is by Anastasia, and it has a really dark shade called Dystopian right here in the center. You guys see that? Darken it up some more. And notice I haven't switched brushes, so I think I might add a little bit of black. So from this same palette, I'm going to pick up Noir, which is the deepest black I've ever seen, the darkest black I've ever seen. I'll take my Tarte Shape Tape. So this is Max Pigment in the shade Blue Brown. So to line my eyes, I'm going to be using the matte NYX aligner. I'm going to use some Beauty Supply ones. These are the Miss 3D lashes in my favorite style from the Beauty Supply, and that is the style 121. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Putty primer. This is like the ultimate primer. As you can see, it's almost gone. For my foundation, I love to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I am in the shade 430W. And I also like this foundation because it looks really good with that primer. This brush is really great too. This is a Real Techniques brush. It's their buffing brush. So I feel like I blended it out as much as I could. Now on to my favorite part, which is my concealer. You guys know the Tarte Shape Tape is all I use if Then I like to go back in with my brush with that leftover foundation and kind of use this to really just blend everything out, just so everything like looks seamless and put together really well. I'm loving how this is coming out. Like my skin is very flawless right now. All right. To bring a little color back into the skin, I do like to use my e.l.f. concealer, and this one is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. The perimeter of my face, right? See how that just added a little bit more color into the face? And it also kind of slimmed me out a bit. Now, because I have so many wet products on my face, I now have to set everything in place. So I'm going to use my translucent powder by Mercier, and this one is in the shade Honey. The reason why I did that, the reason why I have so much powder on the face is because when I apply my lower lash line colors, I really want them to like pop off. So I like to take my eyeliner, and this is the Makeup Forever liner. And you see how that automatically adds like a really nice drama to the look. back into this palette, I'm going to pick up Brownie and Book, the same two shades that I used in my crease earlier. And I'm going to use both of these to really smoke out my eyes. The difference in the smokiness of this eye and that eye. So now I'm taking my Sephora Microsmooth powder, and this is in the shade Tan. And what I like to do is go over all of that powder that I use and really wipe it off very softly with this. It just makes it blend seamlessly. It really locks everything in place, but because this is a micro smoothing powder, everything will look smooth. You can get this at Sephora. It's like my go-to. I've used this for years. And then as a bronzer, I do like to take my NW45 powder sometimes, and this is by MAC, and I use this to really For blush, I'm going to use MAC's Telling Glow. I do like to just kind of put it on the front of the cheeks. It almost mirrors a highlighter. And now I'm going to use my Diamond Glow powder by Artist Couture. Yeah, let me go ahead and spray myself down with my MORPHE spray. Yeah. So I'm going to take my I Heart Revolution gloss in Salted Caramel. And then lastly, I'm going to add some mascara because I've already done the face and sprayed it down, and I'm ready. And this is a finished look, you guys. Very glam. I just wanted to bring you guys up close so you can really see the magic. I really like it. Let me back it on up. All right, guys, this pretty much wraps up another makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'm loving it, y'all. Let me know how you feel in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.